So we are here, first day in Myrtle Beach. Say hello to the crew.
Hello.
We are about to do some damage and do some shopping here at the Tanger outlets. Yes, us girls found an outlet because that's what we do best, is shop. So follow along and we'll show you some of our good finds. Guys, so this is what women do. We shop and we try to buy shoes, and I am just gonna maybe film the shoes because I do not want to buy anything.
Should I get it silver? Look.
Wow, look at these shoes. Total statement shoes. So this is when we take a break and we're off duty and we are called mermaids.
Go on vacation without this.
Let me see what's in there. What's in there? Ooh, ooh, oh, oh, oh.
Now you know.
Look at where we're headed. I don't know if we're gonna survive in here. We should not be shopping right now. You take a makeup artist to a makeup store, and they're gonna shop. Let's go. It's like a kid in a candy store. So we have done a bunch of shopping today. First day in Myrtle Beach. Now we're having Mexican dinner, but we skipped lunch, so it's lunch and dinner. So we're gonna call it dinner, and we're excited. We got some chips, we got some guacamole. Actually, this place is called Margaritas. It's right on like the main strip in Myrtle Beach, and we haven't eaten the food yet, but I'll come back to that in a minute because we're gonna get food. But the guacamole, amazing. The chips, amazing. The margaritas, really good. What time is it? Happy hour time? Yeah. So happy hour margaritas are how much? $2.99. $2.92. $3. Anyway, we're enjoying ourselves. Okay guys, the food is almost done and it's really, really good. Right, Evelyn? Thumbs up. Really good. Right, Ariana?
Absolutely.
Look at this. Almost finished. Alright, let's go. Come on. Thank you. Alright, we're here. We're here. We are going to celebrate tonight. We here. We here. You guys don't still know what this is, but you'll know when we walk in.
Oh my god.
And this is for you girls. I'm not gonna get to celebrate your birthdays with you this year. And so I wanted to do something special here in North Carolina. And so I love you girls.
You love you too.
Mwah. Let's go. Let's go. experience on how CB does destination weddings. Come on and join us. Follow us. How CB does destination. And so you may be wondering, why bring in or fly in a beauty team, a glam squad we like to call ourselves? Well, you may be located in some type of place where there's not the availability for some talented artists, and Cinderella Brides has a very large staff of artists that are willing to travel across the country and across the world and just really tend to anything you need to make sure that you look on point, because one of the most important qualities is somebody that can communicate with you, that can calm you down in those stressful moments, that can just make sure that they're not only going to make you look great, but they're there as an advisor, a friend, to give you their honest feedback to make sure that you can walk out and put your best foot forward.